going on, good people? This is Will. We're in the gun cave. I'm going to be about 7 yards away from my target. You can see what I had there is half a sheet of paper. So here's the full sheet. So I just folded it in half and then ripped it. So what we're going to do is we'll be at 7 yards. I'm going to get a sight picture. And after I get my sight picture, I'm going to squeeze off 2 rounds as fast as possible. Get another sight picture, squeeze off 2 more rounds as fast as possible. And we'll repeat that until we get 16. And then we'll just see if there's any patterns developing on the paper. I should have 16 shots on that paper. Standard paper is, 8.5 by 11, so we're at 4.5 or 4 1/4 by 5.5. So again, I'm at 7 yards. We'll see what happens. I don't have my tripod tonight, so I'm gonna have to make do. Alright, so that's 16. We'll walk down and see if we have 16 on the paper or not. Sometimes it's hard to like get you to focus. Alright, let's go this way. Everything is backwards, so it's fucking it. Alright, so let's see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 rounds. Alright, so we have 16 on the paper, which is 4 1/4 by 5.5. So that's just at 7 yards. Again, I'm only getting 1 sight picture. Again, I'm using that sight picture to squeeze 2 shots, just double tapping. Technically, you're not supposed to do that for the most part. You want to see your sights depending on the trigger, but I just wanted to, the distance, I just wanted to see kind of if there's a pattern developing. You can see most of them are set it up. I have 1, 2, 3, I have 4 flyers, but I'll take that group considering I was only aiming half of those shots. Alright, so now we're going to move out to 10 and just see what happens. I expect my group to open up quite a bit with the additional 3 yards. I'm hoping to at least get 10 on the paper. We'll see what happens. Had a little trigger freeze on a couple of those. That's completely made, not the gun or the ammo. So from 10 yards we have, oh that's right, I forgot the glare from the way. See if I can get y'all in here. Alright, so from 10 yards we have 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 3 off the paper. I'll take 13 for now. See if we can clean that up. I'm still pretty centered up. I'm starting to walk a little bit left, but I'll take that for now. We'll continue to work.